Good morning, dear viewer. Let's have a short look at the markets. Um, let's start with total free, and we're just going to be doing the altcoin market. I'm a bit rusty. I have not recorded for a while, but catching up now. So today we're just going to be looking at the alts. I mean, for me, when I look at the weekly chart, what stands out is unless we break this line to the downside, then we could have a possible leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, oh sorry, 1, 2, 3, and then a possible 1, 2, 3, which would result in all-time highs for quite a lot of coins. Yeah, you see, there's a big space here that could be filled. When we go to the daily chart, to me it looks like, we had a double bottom pretty much here. This would be our wave 1 or A. So 1 or A. So one is for an impulse, A is for a correction, if it's just a correction. Yeah? Then we had here a 2 or B. And if this was just a B wave, yeah, so then we would have A, B, C. And what normally happens is, the wave A and C are of similar length, A and then C. And so we can grab our fib extension tool and see where that 1-to-1 was. Yeah, you see, this is where the price was actually rejected from. Yeah, so there was a couple of rejections, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 rejections, and then we pierced this level. Normally when I see 1-for-1 1414 touched, then for me that would tell me that probably this is not a correction only. And here this was exactly touched. You see, there was a rejection from this level, and we're still pushing upwards. So to me, we are seeing a bigger impulse. So we have 1, 2, and this is our extension in wave 3. So extension goes like this: 1, 2. This is our 3 of the extended 3. We should have a consolidation here for 5. Oh, come on. Again, oh shit, I hate these tools. 1, 2. Then we get a 3. Then we consolidate here, 4. Then we move up 5. So this would be our 3. Wave 3. Then we get some kind of a correction. And then we have a 5, which could be quite an extended one. Then we should get another correction, possibly to these levels, and then a second impulse up. So normally you don't get just one impulse, yeah? You get a few impulses. When I say a few, I actually mean a couple. It's the bare minimum we would want to see. So if it's only an ABC, then we should see at least a couple of impulses. So to me, at the moment, total 3 looks really good. Yeah. So what I would not want to see, yeah, if we continue to the upside here, I think we will see some more upside and a consolidation here. So this is our 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we get an extension with an extension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To complete this one, we need a consolidation somewhere here, up at these levels. That would complete this part here. That would be then completed. And then we need to complete also here, this one. So then we need a bigger consolidation. And this bigger consolidation here, it cannot go to the level of this one. We need another break to the upside. It's as simple as that. Yeah. So unless we continue grinding up and then in a consolidation mostly. Yeah. So up consolidation. Then I think we are fine, and then we would build a healthy impulse. And what is more important, this impulse would break the former high here. Yeah? Oh, I think it already did. Oh shit, I'm so bad with tools today. It already did break this high. I think there's a couple of highs here as well. One, two, maybe three. If we break them as well and we go up to this void here, yeah, this one here, then I expect it gets filled quickly. And the next resistance I see, I think it's this one, to be honest. There's pretty much void here. So there's a big opportunity to expand. We're breaking the highs consistently. We're not making lower highs on the chart. It all looks very, very good. Let's talk about BTCD. I tweeted this chart before. So I said this is probably an ending diagonal. And normally what we get with an ending diagonal is we should get maybe a tiny bit of a bounce here and then break. And when we break, this is where alt will basically boom. Yeah. The interesting part about this is on several alts, there are completely different places or several alt charts are in complete different stages of an expansion upwards, and we will check a few now. So let's start with Atom. This is what I'm holding. I was actually buying round about 9.1, I think, or somewhere here. Yeah, so I was buying here actually. So it went quite a lot. It went down quite a lot still from this place, but I kept on holding. I didn't think we would go that much deeper. And now what I'm watching out for is that this is either an ending diagonal. Yeah, so there will be a rejection here. Then we will see another push up, maybe to this, even with an overthrow to this line. And this line, I'll show you where it goes. So it connects both tops. And then we get a correction. And this correction should take us to around about 50% or even lower of this impulse up. So it should take us to round about here. If this, if this this is where we end our impulse. If it's lower, then the box will be a bit lower. But at the moment, unless somehow I missed the wave count on this move up, then I think we will see downside on Atom. So maybe from here, yeah, we will tap this area and then expand upwards. The minimum I would want to see on this is 1 or A, B to this area, and then C to around about $15, which would be somewhere around about these highs, right? So that would be another push up to the highs, and then there is a possibility we break down lower. But that's the minimum, bare minimum. Yeah. If we start breaking these, so if we do what total 3 does, right? So it consistently breaks highs and does not print a lower low. So if we start doing this on Atom, So we start, so the price action, the price action would look like this. Let's just get rid of this. So then we print a candle up, then we cascade down to these levels, and then there's only small consolidations at the tops, 1, 2, 3, and then a larger consolidation here. Then we can go up for another impulse. Yeah, and then we start thinking about these levels here. That would make a 1, 2, 3, maybe consolidation here, and then go for an all-time high. That is what I'm seeing at the moment. I mean, at the moment, I'm not seeing any bearish scenario. So the bearish scenario is really hard on this chart to find out or um, to estimate. I think if we start going back to these levels here, then we start talking about bearish scenarios, to be honest. And that would be even without printing this higher high here. So then I start to worry. But at the moment, it looks very good. Cake. I said I sold 70% of my cake here. I said I will be rebuying here unless we make a new high. My average buy is here. And at the moment, what I'm thinking is we will not see this this chart to go down to these levels yet. So what I'm thinking is we're probably gonna see triangle consolidation here, break to the upside to around about 350 maybe, and then a correction down to these levels, and then there's two possibilities. Either this is again just an ABC, so A, B, and then we see 450 roundabout, which is still a nice move up, or this is going to be our wave 3, and then we just start. We're going to send a rocket to the upside. So after I see this correction, yeah, I'm all in on cake. Well, all in is just euphemism, or yeah, it's an over exaggeration, but I will be buying quite a lot of cake. DYDX, I'm still thinking, this is the prediction I did before, and I'm still thinking it could play out. I mean, we just barely missed this level, which I was watching out for, so I still have maybe one order parked down here, but I was buying DDX and DYDX, and I think we're still going higher, and the level I would be watching out for is a possible level for an expanding diagonal. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the level I would be watching is this one here, $7 roundabout. Yeah, I hope we can get there. So that would be, expanding, or any kind of diagonals normally moves in threes. So this is our 1, 2, 3. Let's see again. Or is it a double bottom and then this is just a 1, then 1, 2, 3. Now I'm lost on this. I don't know. I mean, it looks like an expanding diagonal, but I'm missing these counts of threes. So then that would be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That works. So it would be like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, if this works out, yeah, then my understanding is this is possibly a leading expanding diagonal. Then we get 1, 2, 3, maybe to this level here, which is also important, and then another wave up. Will it reach all-time highs? I don't know. At the moment, it looks good. Prints lower, higher lows, higher highs, consistently breaks these higher levels. We also have something that resembles a what is it called? Inverse head and shoulders here. So here's our left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break of the neckline, test of the breakout, and then moving up. So it looks, to me, overall, it looks good. I mean, it's moving in the right direction for sure. If maybe not, IOTA. IOTA, I drew some predictions, maybe not call them predictions, but at least my thoughts on here. So I'm thinking we are in an impulsive wave now. So we have a clear 1, 2, and then an expansive 3. Now we should get the sideways consolidation and one more move up. And after this move, we're going to get the correction, and this correction I should buy. Yeah. And again, this could lead to a massive expansion. It can also be just an ABC up at the end of the day. So it could just be an A, B, and then a C ending round about these levels, which would make perfect sense. Yeah, this was former support, now turned into resistance. So that would also make sense. But in any case, buying at 270 roundabout and then selling at 650, that's still a 2x or even more, but that's 540. Yeah, that's 2.5x roughly. Jasmine, sorry about notes in Polish. So I was thinking that we could maybe go down to the buy level here, but it's not working at the moment. So I'm watching this one. Yeah. So there's a couple of possibilities now, at least. So 1, 2, 3, then a consolidation 4, then a move up to this level, correction, buy up, or for the bullish scenarios, I'm not considering any bearish scenarios at the moment. I'm just looking at the bullish ones. Or somehow this is a leading diagonal. Then it would look like so. Yeah, that's too steep. So only one scenario I'm looking at the moment, looking out for at the moment. So after this one is completed, so I think we don't have that much to go. So then I would want to see consolidation, sideways move here, then another break to the upside to take out the highs. And then after the correction, which should be around about 50, maybe 60%. So somewhere around about here, I would be buying for another leg up. Another leg up is again either an ABC, A, B, and C. So you're buying at 58 and selling at 12. So that's again 100% roundabout. Or there is an expansion upwards and then we start breaking into completely new highs and possibly taking an all-time high as well. Taking out an all-time high. Let's do one more. Mask. So I'm thinking, and let's go on the 4-hour maybe. So let's get rid of this. I said this was our sell level. It was tapped exactly to the dollar almost. And then I was saying this was our buy level again, yeah. And I was expecting, so I said this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 sideways 5. We're going to get a 3-wave correction. 1, 2, 3. Buy. I bought here, yeah. I bought some more here as well. And I'm I still think that we could see lower, another low created here to take out the Monday's range low. But then I would expect that we start moving up to at least this level in one impulsive move. That would confirm to me that after a correction, I can still maybe buy some more. So I'll move these orders from here then to here, and then start tracking this and expecting more upside. So my conservative target for this coin is 1, 2, let's say here 3, 530. Yeah, that would be the conservative target. So buying here, my average buy would be somewhere around about here, I guess. 55%, not too shabby. Okay, here were my projections and what I'm tracking at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed the analysis. I thank you so much for listening. Have a very good day. So long and bye bye.